How do I unlock Facebook dating?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial video. Today, we're diving into the world of Facebook dating. Facebook dating is a feature on Facebook that allows users to connect with other singles who also opt into the service. It's a way to meet new people right in your Facebook app. In this video, we'll guide you on how to unlock Facebook dating. So, let's get started.
What do you need to access Facebook dating?
Before we begin, it's essential to understand what you need to access this feature. 1. First, you should be at least 18 years old and have a Facebook account. 2. Second, you need to have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your mobile device. 3. Lastly, Facebook dating is currently available in select countries. So, ensure that it's available in your region.
How to enable Facebook dating?
Now, let's move on to enabling Facebook dating. 1. Open your Facebook app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, located at the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iOS. 3. Scroll down and find the Dating option. If you can't see it, tap on See More to expand the menu. 4. Tap on Dating, and you will be directed to the Facebook dating homepage. 5. Here, tap on Get Started, and follow the prompts to set up your profile. Remember, your Facebook dating profile and your Facebook profile are separate, even though they're created using the same app.
How to set up your Facebook dating profile?
Setting up your Facebook dating profile is a crucial step. This section will help you create an appealing and authentic profile. 1. Choose your dating location. This doesn't have to be your home location. It could be where you spend a lot of time or where you'd like to meet potential matches. 2. Select your gender identity and the genders of the people you're interested in. 3. Answer personality questions. These are optional but can help others learn more about you. 4. Choose a dating profile picture. This should be different from your Facebook profile picture to maintain separation and privacy. 5. Review and confirm your details. Once you're satisfied, tap on Confirm. And there you have it. That's how you unlock Facebook dating. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're ready to begin exploring the world of Facebook dating. Remember, it's all about making meaningful connections, so be authentic and, most importantly, have fun. Happy dating!